Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install the current MySQL version on Windows 11. Let's start. At first go to the web browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any web browser. On Google type MySQL. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it, mysql.com. On clicking, here is the official website. Go to downloads, click on it. Now go below. Click on MySQL community downloads. After reaching the MySQL community download section, click on MySQL installer for Windows. That's it. Now we will reach the installer, the actual installer, the current version 8.0.35. Here it is for Windows. Here in two versions are visible. It's written 32-bit, but it works for 64-bit as well. You need to download the second one. Okay. The following. Click on download. This is the complete package. Click download. Now you don't need to log in and sign up. Just click on no thanks. Just start my download. Now download started. Here it is. Let's wait. The installation completed. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The installation started. You need to choose a setup type. I'll go for the custom so that we can understand what we are installing. Click next. Now under select products, we need to select our MySQL. Click on the available products, that is MySQL Server. Click the drop down and here it is 8.0.35. Just drag it. Then comes your application. Click on it. For Workbench, we'll be going for the following. Okay, Workbench is a UI to create database tables and perform operations. I'll show it later. Just click on it to drag and the shell, the last one, you need it to complete the installation. Move it and that's it. We want these three only. Click next. Ready to install. When you'll click execute, one by one it will execute all three of them. Click execute. Now it started. Completed. Now click next. Product configuration, click next. Type in networking. The port number is 3306. Leave it as it is. It's fine. Click next. Authentication method. Use a strong password, which is fine, recommended. So just click next. Herein you need to add a root password. What is the root? What is root? Root is the admin. So the admin of your MySQL server on localhost. For that, let me add a password. You can also use my password. So we have set a password. Just click next. Windows service, keep it as it is. Click next. Server file permissions. Yes, grant full access. So this is the place wherein your database will get saved. So you can always take a backup on localhost also. Click next. Apply configuration. Click execute. Let's just wait. The configuration completed. Click finish. Click next. Now this will start MySQL Workbench and shell, which is fine. Click finish. Now here is a workbench. Before moving further, go to the path. We installed it in C drive, program files, and here it is MySQL. Open it. Within that you can now see all the three server shell workbench. Go to server, go to bin. Now herein copy this path minimize. Now go to start, type environment variables. On typing, you can see the edit the system environment section is visible. Click on open to open the edit the system environment variable section. Under advanced, click environment variables. Now under system variables, you need to go to path. That's it. Now double click to open it. Click new and just paste the same bin path. That's it. Click OK. OK and the last OK. That's it. Now you can go here and click on it. Now enter the same password we set before. Save password in vault and click OK. Now MySQL Workbench started. If you want to learn more about Workbench, refer the link in the description of this video for a complete tutorial. Go to start, type CMD, click open. Now we will start the MySQL server. Before that, we will verify the installation. MySQL space MySQL space hyphen version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current 8.0.35. Now let us start the server. MySQL space -u, U is for user. User was root if you remember. Space -p. This is the password. Press enter. Now enter the same password again. Press enter. This shows that the server started. That means there is no error. Now guys, what we need to do, let us verify that how many databases are here. By default, show databases semicolon, press enter. MySQL provides these 4 databases as a sample. No problem, we will create a new database using create space database command space the name of the database. You can add any name. Let's say I added my name, Amit Diwan, semicolon, press enter. If the following is visible, one row affected, that means we successfully created a new database. How to verify? Use the same command. Show databases semicolon and press enter. So here it is, database Amit Diwan. It's visible here. That means we successfully created a new database. There were 4 before. These were 4 and now it is 5 because we created a new database. So guys, if you want to learn more about MySQL, that is how to create a table, how to perform different operations, a complete 3-hour tutorial, you can refer the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching the video.